Example 1 says we should calculate theta if sine theta is equal to cos theta. Using the idea of complementary angles, you can be able to solve this. Now, that if sine theta is equal to cos theta, we should find the value of theta. We have established that sine theta can be expressed as cos 90 minus theta. I can then substitute cos 90 minus theta for sine theta, so that this can be said to be cos theta will be equal to cos into bracket 90 minus theta. By substituting this for this in this equation, you have cos theta to be equal to cos 90 minus theta. And if cos theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta, it therefore means that theta will be equal to 90 minus theta. The aim is for us to get the value of theta. So if theta is equals to 90 minus theta, we then have to collect like terms by adding theta to both sides. So this becomes 2 theta will be equal to 90 degrees. And when you divide both sides by 2, you have your value for theta to be equal to 45 degrees. So I was able to solve this using the idea of complementary angles. Let's take another example.